Hello, mic test, everybody. We are starting. We are about to start mic test. Here we go. Welcome to our Monday stream. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is The Boss, and I am about to represent today's live stream. Welcome. Now, before I begin, I forgot a couple of things. I have to make sure that I represent myself properly. How is everyone doing? Now, I would like to shout out Ken for the very quick chat today. Hello, Ken. How are you doing? Hello, you big bro. No, bro, a big fan. I like your contents and your teaching style. Thank you so much. Though we should be giving that to Bernard, who is making the content mostly. But thank you for the support. We truly appreciate that. And I bought your both Shopify theme development courses. Thank you so much. And we hope that you enjoy those courses. We're trying our best to give you the bestest quality you'll ever ask for. I'm good, bro. How you doing? We are great. Before I begin answering that question, I would like to continue by opening the speech chat because I'm pretty sure this will make our live stream much more interactive if I can hear the messages that you are writing. So previously, last week, Marco's live stream, he decided to experiment with this whole speech chat or text to speech, and it was fun. I watched it myself, and I was a big fan of that interaction. So now I have enabled it. Perhaps it's going to work if I type "Hello World." So that can take a bit of time to respond.
Weekly How said, "Hello world."
Okay, there you go. But
Marco Antonio Principi said, "Yo, it's me."
there you go. So now the text-to-speech chat is finally working. Hello, Marco Antonio.
Antonio Principi said, "Hi."
Hello and welcome to our Monday stream. It's so good to see both of you, Ken and Marco, for joining. See, we have a Marco here with a C. Ladies and gentlemen, our colleague, Marco with a K, and we have here on our chat, Marco with a C. If you joined Marco's live stream, he would be really happy to see you. Maybe. But probably he's gonna be annoyed because you guys have the same name and he doesn't like whenever there's a someone misrepresent or mispronounce his name. So it would be nice to see how it turns out. So Marco with a C, if you can join on Wednesday, that would be great. That would be great to see how he's going to react on your name. It's gonna be funny. Anyway, hi. How is everybody doing? I had a good time. I had a good weekend. Honestly, spent time with family, of course. We went on a couple of places here and there with the kids, and yeah, it was a good time. We spent a couple of hours on the park, see the dogs. It was a good day, and the weather is great. It was sunny. Can't ask for more. How is everyone? How is your weekend?
C0 Arnell said, "Hi."
Cornell, welcome back. It's been a while. Definitely it has been a while. And yes, a lot of things have changed. Definitely. A lot of things have changed.
Marco Antonio Principi said, "Here in Italy it's raining a lot."
So if you don't know what happened, maybe I can freshen you up if you're interested, of course, if you want to know what happened. Marco Antonio, here in Italy, it's raining a
C0
lot.
Arnell said, "Thanks, man."
Well,
C0 Arnell said, "Worked a lot on my page, you know, oof."
you know, oof. Well, that chat is kind of annoying. Maybe I can change things up because that is quite slow. Maybe there's something I could change. It's Google
C0
UK.
Arnell said, "Please share."
Um, hmm. Maybe we can go female. Personality voice. Auto switch to English voice.
C0 Arnell said, "Turn it off."
No. I would like to keep it because that makes it more interactive for me at least. It was fun. Last week with Marco, he experimented with this whole text-to-speech thing, and it was funny. I had a good time watching it myself. Anyway, let's proceed with Marco's message. Here in Italy, it's raining a lot. Well, Marco with a K would love to read how you're doing there in Italy. Because, Marco is from Italy. He grew up there and he's here in France at the moment. So if you guys join forces, that will be a good
C0
time.
Arnell
I can see
said, "Can it make it read faster?"
that.
C0 Arnell
That is a great
said,
question. That is a
"Can
great
you?"
question. Maybe we can take a look at that.
Khan said, "My short intro, I am Khan and I am a full stack developer, but currently learning Shopify theme development and weekly how I am also doing my clothing brand startup here at slink https://dobigstrip.com." Botrix said, "Khan, please do not send links."
Oh, there's a good bot. Good bot. Thank you so much, Botrix, for doing that. But I'll come back to that later on. From Cornell, worked a lot on my page. I can imagine how busy you are, because I can remember many months ago. Was it months ago? I think it was months ago when last time you have joined our live stream, and you did so great. You did so great with the Shopify online store that you've been working on, and I look forward to see how it's doing. Perhaps perhaps now it's better. That would be good. That would be exciting to see. I also noticed that now Ken, his message was deleted by moderator. I did not know what happened, but hopefully it's okay. Okay, so we proceed. A lot of things changed, Cornell. First of all, now we are experimenting with, or not experimenting, but we have made some changes on how we proceed with this whole live streaming thing. Many weeks ago, we do live stream with just Bernard and how he interacts with
C0
everyone.
Arnell said, "Please visit my store if you want, buddy."
We can do that later. We can definitely do that.
C0 Arnell said,
I'll do that later.
"Give me a review if you want."
Okay, let me just pause that because that is honestly annoying whenever it starts reading slowly. It's just, I'm losing my mind. Anyway, okay. So, a lot of things happened on Weekly How. Now we have introduced a couple of new characters. I myself, I'd like to be referred as the boss, okay? And there's another character, which is Marco with a K. That is something that you should not forget, okay? Everybody, you should call him Marco with a K. It's spelled Marko, okay? Otherwise, if you mispronounced his name or misspelled his name, things can happen. things can happen and we don't want to see that. We don't want to see him go mad. Okay? I've seen it myself. He goes crazy. So be prepared. Be very careful whenever you address him as Marco. Okay? With a K. Okay. So next one. I have turned off the speech for now. Maybe later on we can proceed with that. I don't know what happened. Please visit my store if you want, buddy. Give me a review if you want. Yes, we can do that later on. I'd love to see how it's been doing. We can spend a couple of moments there. And yeah, same with Ken. I'd like to review that as well and give you a few points that maybe will help you. Okay? And weekly how? Have any Discord server so we all can interact there. We do have a Discord server. That's where we, of course, discuss many things. And yes, you can check it out in the description below. Otherwise, I think it's not going to work. Therefore, I can share a new URL, which is here. I'll put it here. I'll pin this message so you can see it. There you go. The boss. Yes, quote unquote, the boss. Because a couple of reasons why I'm called that way. First of all, I represent Weekly How. I take care of many things. The marketing side of things, the content, how it's going to end, how it's going to be edited, what you need to add, what you need to get rid of. And I take care of most of the administrative responsibilities. And Marco with a K, he's mostly responsible with the whole shenanigans on Wednesday's live stream. He's taking care of the tutorials, giving you interactive and fun and very, very engaging and how can I say this? What is a very fun live stream where you can learn at the same time, okay? So he's responsible of that. At the moment, it's just me and him, Marco, doing the live stream. We have a new members. I believe his name is John. His name is John, David, and Professor Steve. Maybe in the future, we'll invite Professor Steve to give you a couple of programming lessons because that's his expertise. And yes, that's pretty much what happened. And now we are doing plenty of YouTube shorts, okay? And we are doing great there. So shout out to me for managing that. I'm the reasons why it has been consistent recently. And it's doing great. We reached 3,000 views on our previous shorts. The last two shorts reached 3,000 views, which is great, and which is something that I look forward to maintain because we want to keep those content going. So there's going to be a new YouTube shorts. There's gonna be another short tomorrow. It's going to come, and I manage it myself. We worked with Bernard with the entire content and with the entire script, and I'm sure that's something that you'll enjoy watching because the production of this content is very, very good, and we are very proud to work on it and very, very happy to share it to everyone. Okay. So that's another thing that changed Weekly How. Another is we have been working on a new way to produce content. We are working with animations lately to create better content, and we have more plans to make it better. Okay? And of course, aside from that, on the Shopify side of things, Shopify released the new edition, the Shopify edition 2024, and I believe it's summer. So it has been released just today, and that is something that we're going to discuss next month after we have published the next video, which is coming, it should come on Wednesday. So the short will be coming tomorrow, Tuesday, and the new content will be coming on Wednesday, so after the short. And we're also going to do a live stream on that day with Marco. Okay, so many things coming, and I hope that's something that you guys are looking forward to. Okay, but other than that, it's a great day. How is everyone doing? How are you, Cornell? I believe I asked that already. Okay, how's the other members? How are you? And yes, I have shared the URL. So if you have joined, don't hesitate to put an introduction in the introductions general channel, and you can introduce, and I can take a look at it. I can read it myself, and give this interaction. I know another thing is that we are planning on producing a live stream where you can join as a guest, and you have 30 minutes to just be part of the live stream. Maybe it'll make it an interview kind of content, or make it something I don't know how to say this, but it's going to be in a call where you can ask questions, you can say things, but obviously there are rules coming. But that's just an idea of what will come in the future. Okay? From Cornell, I am fine. And you, Big Boss? First of all, it's just the boss, okay? You don't have to say Big Boss, Cornell. I appreciate it, but I'm not too big, okay? I'm all right. I'm an average boss. But thank you, Cornell. Rim, hello, Mr. Boss. A lot of people are addressing me differently today, and I appreciate that. It's very, very charming and very, very sweet of you, okay? But you can just address me as boss, and I'm satisfied with that. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. From Victor, hello. Hello, sir. As far as I know, you have two courses called theme development, but what is the difference between them? That is a good question, Victor. First of all, welcome. Welcome to our Monday stream. And second of all, yes, there are two Shopify theme development course. The first one is the theme kit theme development course. That is the Shopify theme 1.0, the old online store architecture, or not architecture. Yes, the old template system. The second one is the Tailwind CSS. It's more on the Shopify CLI things. It's more the JSON template course. Okay, so if you're interested on learning the online store 1.0, you'll get the theme kit. But if you're interested with the JSON templates, which is the latest one, you will take the Tailwind CSS course, the not Tailwind, but more the Shopify CLI Online Store 2.0 course. Okay, so that's the difference between these two. Well, honestly, I'd recommend taking both of them because you'll learn not just the Online Store 1.0, but also the Online Store 2.0. Because still, Liquid system, the Online Store 1.0 is still available to this day. So you can still use that. So it's not deprecated at this point. So it's a good thing to learn that as well. So you get used to the template systems. Okay, next one, not too big boss. Is that fine? Well, I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine, Cornell. I guess it is fine. Okay? How are you, Rim? How are you, Victor? Welcome. First of all, welcome back to stream. It's good to see the same faces, or maybe there's a new face, which is Ken and Victor. Maybe because there is another Victor last time, from what I can recall. I watched Marco's live stream. It was a chaotic live stream, and there was a Victor. Remember, maybe it's the same person. Hello. Regardless, how is everyone? It's good to see everyone here once again. Okay. So we are going to enable the chat once again. I think that's fine. Okay. Is there any way I can like make it fast? I think there is a recent message, timestamp, tiny, dark theme. Okay. Anyway, we are moving forward. I can go to the Discord server because I've seen a new message. Okay. I'm from Mr. Ken. Perhaps we can proceed to intermission. And I am Mr. Ken, and I am full stack web developer, and I am also currently learning Shopify theme development. Very excited to meet new buddies. Welcome, Ken.
It is nice of you not to fire Marco after last week's stream.
Well, welcome to our Discord server, Ken. It's good to see new members. Also, we apologize from Weekly How. We sincerely apologize if has been not very active on Discord lately. But we try to do many things all at once. So honestly, if there's any urgent like support, for example, we'll try our best to respond to your questions on Discord. But yeah, it has been very busy these days, so we couldn't do all of it at once. So we really apologize if we missed some things here and there. Okay, so that is welcome to Mr. Ken for here at Weekly How. We would like to say thank you for joining. Let's go back here. I am good, thanks. Hope you are doing well too. Like I said, my English is not Englishin at this point. Well, like I said, it has been good. I spent some quality time with my family and friends. So thank you for asking. And the weather is great today. Had a good time working. And yes, it is nice of you not to fire Marco after last week's stream. I was there, to be fair. I was watching him break out of this character, and it was very funny. I enjoyed it. And the fact that there is a bit of a scandalous moment, it's something that honestly I would not forget. And I thank him for handling that professionally. He handled it pretty well. Is that right, Rim? Did he handle it pretty well, from what you can remember? Do you remember what happened? I believe it's something happened with Victor and Marco, from what I can recall. I think it was you, Victor. Okay.
Bleached said, "Hello, Mr. Boss, how's it going?" Bleached said, "What did I miss?"
Well, Bleach, welcome back. Not much. We just started and we tried to catch
You
up.
Cornell is back. Bleached said, "What's up, G?"
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The voice thing is annoying. I don't know how.
C0 Arnell said, "I'm fine, and you Bleached."
I don't know how.
Rimbudabala said,
Shut
"I
the.
remember very well."
Shut the. Shut up. You're pissing me off. Okay? You're pissing me off. There you go. Now we calm. Ladies and gentlemen, we are calm here at Weekly How. Yes, Cornell is finally back. And we're going to you want it, you want to keep it. Okay? It's Cornell's wish. So we have to keep it, ladies and gentlemen. My patience are running thin, but that's okay. We move. We can do this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I prayed the Lord that I don't get pissed off today. I had a good day. Today was a great day. I had fun. Let's keep it that way. Okay. Wow. Okay. What did I miss? Everyone is fine. That's great. I remember very well. It was chaos. It was iconic, I would say. I agree. It was iconic, and therefore we keep it. Okay? Why does it speak like that? For some reason, whenever Cornell write a message, the speech
Said,
chat just
Can you change the voice?
I can do that. I can definitely do that. Yes. But whenever Cornell writes a message, the bot starts speaking like this. Which is, I don't know what's special about you, Cornell, but that's just, maybe the bot thinks that you are a little bit young, which is a compliment, I would say. Okay, let's go with Google US English. Maybe that's better. Okay, so I changed now the voice.
C0 Arnell said, Bim bam bam.
I don't know if that changes something. I did. One sec. Maybe I can find a better voice. Julie is a French one. Microsoft David. Microsoft Mark. Okay. Let's put it there. Let's put it there. I don't understand.
Bleached.
I don't.
Said. WTF skull.
See?
C0 no. Said. Why does it read so slow, man?
Oh, that's better. That's better.
Bleached. Said. Why is it so zesty though?
It's better. It's better. Now it's a dude. It's a dude is speaking. Okay? It's good. I apologize to Rene. Did I miss your message? Rene, welcome back. It's so good to see you once again.
C0 no.
Almost forgot.
Said. Do they have Norwegian English? Ha ha ha.
I forgot the Twitch chat. I almost forgot opening that. Okay. How you doing, Rene? It's been a while indeed. Let me just open the Twitch chat so I don't miss anything. This is what I'm talking about. If I disable the chat, I will miss a thing.
Bleached. Said.
Put it here.
It's better now.
It's definitely better. I agree. Definitely better. Where's the Twitch chat? Right here.
R3NP3N. Said. Pretty damn good.
I agree. Pretty damn good indeed. Now it's better. It's better now. Do they have Norwegian English? No, I don't think so. It's just pretty limited. They have different
Bleached.
languages though.
Said. Yo R3NP3 here too.
There is Norwegian, but I don't think it's going to work as describes. Wait, hold on. Dutch. No, that's not Norwegian. Español de Estados Unidos. Bahasa, Italiano, Netherlands. Is that Norwegian? Netherlands? Sorry, I'm very bad in geography. I failed my geography class, by the way. Maybe it's Netherlands. Let's try that. pretty damn good. That is great. I'm happy that everyone is doing well today, and the fact that everyone is here makes my heart, beat like very fast. Not in a weird way, but more like of happiness. So guys, what we are about to do today is to review a couple of websites that Cornell and Ken shared to us. We'll be taking a look at them later on. And then I guess it's pretty much it. Okay? That's pretty much it. That's pretty much shit. Anyway, everything is good so far. Now I think I have my chat working. I have my YouTube chat. What else? I need to open the projector as well. It appears that I am not prepared. Okay. But that's okay. We are almost done preparing. There we go. I think I'm set. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's proceed and take a look at the websites that our members have shared. First one is from Ken, I believe. If you can send it through Discord, that would be great. Or maybe I can open the YouTube chat and look at it. Ken. For some reason, Ken's message gets deleted, which is bizarre. I am not sure why, but it got deleted. If you're watching, Ken, can you share the link of your website through the Discord server? You can put it in your introduction. You can edit your introduction.
Said, where should he share the URL Discord?
That is Netherlands voice, by the way. Where should I share the URL Discord? Yes, you can share it on the Discord server. You can put it in the in the lobby. I think that should work in the lobby, or yeah, in the lobby. I think in the lobby works. We can create another channel for online stores promotion. I think that's fine. I don't really mind it. Though I'm trying to avoid spams. So that's another thing. But okay. Okay, for now, you can share it in the lobby. That's fine. Okay, so I got one. Maybe Ken's website or online store. You can share that as well in the lobby. That would be appreciated. In the introduction, everything is good. Okay, there you go. So while I'm waiting for Ken's online store, we can proceed with Cornell's. Okay, let's open the intermission. There you go. Okay.
C0RNL said, I will delete the URL after you had reviewing.
We need to change that voice because that is weird. We just have Google Netherlands Dutch. I believe the David one is fine. Or Mark. I think it was Mark. Okay, I think that's fine. So this is the speech chat that I'm using. We'll probably experiment with another speech chat bot in the future, but this is what we're using. Okay, now we can proceed with online store. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. This is Cornell's. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. I am, first of all, I am speechless on how much you have improved this online store. Just a disclaimer, I am married, okay? I'm married and I'm looking at this website in a professional way, okay? There's no malice, there's no perviness going on. I look at it in a professional way. Just a disclaimer. So if my wife is watching this, I'm doing this to so to satisfy my viewers' needs. So please, when I get home, hope you
C0 Renell
forgive me.
said, the best one is the account page. C0 Renell said, let me share login info in DM.
Oh, sure. Yes, that'll be great if we can go through it thoroughly, just like dispense. Anyway, first of all, my first comment is the navigational bar. It looks fantastic. Though, I have a comment. Okay, it's the drop down icon here.
Bala said,
It could use
there is a Mrs. Boss.
It could use a bit more space here, honestly. Because what was that? I'm sure I'm not the only one who saw that. There was a liquid code
RYM Bala
that pops.
said, will she be part of future streams?
So here, in the navigational bar, the drop-down icon, you can give it just a bit of space, just to give it more
C0 Renell
indication that it's a drop-down.
said, it's
Because
even
it's
better
very
in
close.
mobile.
It's even better in the mobile. Okay, I'll expect the login info later on. I'll use that. Let's take a look at this. From Rim, there's a Mrs. Boss. Will she be part of future stream? Well, at the moment, my wife, she's in the marketing side of things of our other company. So her time is pretty tight at the moment. Maybe I can invite her in the future. Who knows? But yes.
Said, can you review Mine Store after this one?
For Ken, yes, definitely. This is why I ask you to share it on our Discord server. I'll definitely review it. Just give me a moment with this. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, I agree. It looks better on the mobile view. Okay. I gotta say, Cornell, you're pretty good at why am I stuck here? Anyway, let's move on. I like it. I like how you use the right image to represent the products. So that's a plus, okay? I'll give you plus points for that. Whew.
C0 Renell said, haha, what going on?
I'm sweating.
Said, what happened loudly crying face with tears of joy?
My wife is gonna kill me. I'm not gonna survive this. Thanks, Cornell. Well, yes, I like how you use the right image to showcase the products. Okay. I'll also like the slider,
C0 Renell
so you can easily
said,
see
Ha
things.
ha ha.
I think you're just lacking of zoom. I think zoom would be nice. You know, if I hover, for example, it zooms.
C0 Renell.
Maybe that's just my preference.
Tell her that this is one of your students' work I don't know.
So, I mean, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that.
C0 Renell. Said.
I like that.
And test the NAV menu for Bull.
Just
C0
a
Renell.
just a question.
Said. Working on it.
Is she your wife? I hope not. I apologize if she is your wife. Another disclaimer that I'd like to share is that okay, we move. Okay, let's try the navigational bar that you mentioned. Ooh,
C0 Renell. Said. No model.
I like that. I like that. That is fast, that is quick, easy to understand. Ooh, okay. That's great. I assume this is sail. Yes, it is sail. Okay. Perhaps you can change the color scheme of your tags. Because your primary color is yellow. What is your secondary color? I would say it's gray. Let me take a look at your... I also noticed that there was a liquid code over there. So try to look at it because it's showing just for a couple of milliseconds. It's showing. So I assume that is a liquid block. So what you can do is make sure that you check first whatever you're rendering. Okay? Apply a conditional block. An if before doing something. Because I noticed that there was a liquid code showing. Okay, so that's another one.
C0
Let's do
Renell.
the login, okay?
Said. That correct working on it. MR Sharp. Said. Hello. C0 Renell. Said. Thanks for feedback. MR Sharp. Said. Where can we see this code repository, brother?
Ooh, this is great. I'm talking about the design. It's great. The pants, it's great. Can I get a pant? My wife would love that. You know? Anyway, okay, we'll proceed with the login. Hello, thanks for the feedback. Where can we see the code repository? No, this is more a review of someone's work, okay? This is not my code. This is not my Shopify theme. So it's basically our members. They have their work published, and
C0 Renell.
I'm reviewing it
Said.
myself. Okay.
Haha, let me know. C0 Renell. Said. The shipping details.
Oh, okay. Well, let me ask my wife first. Because login, yes, login. Let's do the login. Let me open the message. It's hot. Is it hot? I'm sweating. Whew. What are you doing to me? Wow. Okay, let's do the login. I'll copy the
MR Sharp.
credentials.
Said. Okay.
Yes, I apologize to Mr. Sharp. By the way, welcome back. Good to see you. But yes, it's not my my Shopify theme. It's not ours. It's Cornell's, and we are reviewing it. So yes, if at some point you have an online store that you'd like to share with us, you'd like me to review, don't hesitate to put it on our live streams chat and we'll review it here. Where can I share my
Con.
website link for review?
Said,
You can put it in the
where
Discord,
can I share my website link for review?
in the lobby channel. You can put it there, and once the live stream is over, we'll delete it because as much as possible, we try to avoid spamming. Okay, so you can put it in the lobby at the moment. Okay, so I'm logged in, I believe. Let's do share it. Never. There we go. Okay. So what is something that you'd like me to look at, Cornell? I can see that it's looking great with the icons. Icons looks great, fantastic. The name of the customer, okay, good. Not much to add in here. I like the color scheme. Oh, okay. Wow.
C0 Renell
Wow.
said, 100 custom. MR Sharp said, I am working on one Shopify theme from scratch, will share soon. C0 Renell said, no
You can-
app,
yeah.
only own coded.
You can do that. You can do that in the future. If at some point you want to share it to us, share it with everyone. We'll review it. We'll take a look at it. And if I have some comments, yeah, I'll share it. But wow, I'm pretty impressed how you did this whole thing. But I do have a bit of a comment, of course. Well, I'll share that later. But let me just go through it one by one. So this is my main address, I would say.
Bleached
Okay.
said, damn, that's impressive. C0 Renell
So we have here another address, and this is my main address. Okay, that's good. I'll come back to this later once I share.
Con said, I shared the link in lobby channel.
Why was I logged out? Okay, that's weird, Cornell, by the way. Okay, let me go back to it. I'll log in once again. All right, I'll go back to I'll come to your website, Can, after this. But let me just go through this. Okay, this is basically my orders. And I would say this is more of the content of this order, which is an accordion. Okay, that is good.
C0 Renell said, sure.
So I can't
C0
click
Renell
this.
said,
I would say
correct.
okay. I'll
C0
put
Renell
more
said,
comment later.
correct.
What is this? Let me just I don't speak your language, by the way, so I apologize. Get in touch with us. It's customer service. Okay, I like that. I like that there's a customer service here. That is really good. Okay. There's another one. Okay. Exchange and return. That is good. Clothing must return. I don't have comments regarding that. Log out. We have that. Okay. Now let me go through the things I'd like to share first. First of all, if you're trying to make it look more minimalist, be very careful with the shadows. First of all, first one is this whole card here. That there is a border radius here. Try to give it
Con said, but
try
my
to
photos
give it-
are bad. Pensive face. I am working on photo shoots.
get rid of the border radius here in the bottom left and bottom right, and get rid of the shadow here. My advice is, do not, if this whole thing is inside of this card here, do not display a shadow. Just leave it as is. Just display it as a card with border. But get rid of the border radius here at the bottom left and bottom right. Another one is give it a different background so you
C0
can see
Renell
that separated.
said, Ikyoki.
Okay, that's another one. And another one is the font. I noticed that it's not very consistent, especially when it's a link. maybe it has a different font. Okay, so there's a font weight. I don't see any font size. Font size. So it's currently 1.4 rem. So there's that. But the regular
C0 Renell
text
said,
has a
I will check it out.
1.6. The regular text have a 1.6 rem. So I would say make them the same, but for the links, they have the underline. Okay? And maybe, just maybe, it's just my personal opinion, give it a different font color. Okay? Or another one is you don't have to change the font color, but the underline change its color to the primary color, which is the yellow. Honestly, no. You don't do that. Don't do the yellow line. Just give it as black. I think it's fine. But make the font color a bit lighter than the black text, just so it's more obvious that it's a link. Okay? That's another one. Another one is I'm seeing yellow border here. So take care of this, because you want to just display one border here. I'm seeing a little bit of yellow border here in the left side, the other links. I know it's because of the animation, but I'm pretty sure you can make it 0, so it doesn't display it. Or if you can't, change its opacity to 0, and then once you enable this, transition it to 100. That'll save that. Okay.
C0 Renell said,
What?
look in DM, I can't see it on my screen.
Okay, let me take a look at it. Okay, that's weird. That is weird indeed. Huh. But I have it here, so that is weird. Let me take a look at the inspect elements. I'm seeing you have a before selector. So, okay, so the width. Okay, so it appears that you set its width to 6 pixels. And when it's active, when it's using the class active, the left is set to 0. But when it's not active, the left is set to negative 5.7 pixel. I'm sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Okay, here we do have a button with the before. Okay, we have this before, and it's using this class button, or here. Its width is set to 6 pixel, and its left is set to negative 5.7. But if this link is active, the left is set to 0. So otherwise, adjust it. Instead of 5.7, make it 6. So it's sure that it's not displaying, because I can still see it. Like before, you can see it here. Just be very careful with that. Honestly, just to make it more sure that it's not going to display, just set its opacity to let's say we bring it back to 5.7 pixel. Just give it an opacity. Opacity 0. So it's gone. Or honestly, yeah, if you go opacity 0, it's going to also hide the other stuff. So that might not work. That could work if you give this another link. Oh no, class, sorry. But you know what? No, just give it a left of -6 because the width is 6 here. So this is not the same. Make sure you change this to 6. Alright? Okay, that's my final comment on that. Is there anything else that we can take a look at? Other than that, I like it. Everything is good. You have the primary button. You have the sale button here that will lead the customer to the sailed products, which is good. Okay. Let's take a look at the cart. Okay, so it's a slider. Pretty good. What if I add a card or a product? Okay, wow, okay. Is this an app? I would assume it is. I like it. It's really good. It's really, really good, Cornell. I really, really like this. I have no other comments. For me, it's good. Oh, if there's no app, this is great. I like this.
C0 Renell said, no app.
You did a pretty good job. I would say that. So thank you so much for sharing your work. I am so proud of you. Everyone from Weekly How is so proud of your work. And we're very grateful that you have shared this to us. And we learn things from you. Okay? So thank you. Thank you so much for sharing this to us. Okay, maybe we can proceed to the other one unless you have other things that you want me to look at. Other than that, let me know. But yeah, the pants are great. It looks great. I remember back when I was dating girls, you know, back when I was around 2005, back when I was in college. I remember females like to wear those pants. It's crazy. It has been a crazy experience back when I was young. But now I'm married, so I can't do that anymore. But thank you for sharing it. I probably don't make sense right now, but that's the point. You know what I mean? Okay, maybe we can proceed to the next online store by Ken. I'd love to take a look at it. Okay, so Mr. Ken shared an online store called Dope X Drip, which is very, very dope name, by the way. See what I did there? See what I did there? Exactly. So let's take a look at it. This is gonna be the last online store.
RYM Booter Bala said, does you wife watch the streams cause you might get yourself in trouble?
Oh, that's a great question. Does my wife watch my stream? She knows that I'm doing this whole work. We have a conversation last week, but she does not know what I just did today. So that's something that we need to discuss later on. I might get in trouble. So just to save face, Cornell, you know what to do. We'll give her a set of pants.
Said, I share it in Discord lobby channel.
Yes, I seen it, Ken. That's what we're going to be doing next. All right, but let's give it a moment just to chill because I'm sweating because of Cornell's work. Whew. I can't imagine what Marco is gonna do if he's the one doing this. Anyway, okay. Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready for the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the next one. Let's do this. The next one is called dopexdrip.com
Said,
by Con.
okay, thank you, bro.
And okay, first of all, I'll comment later on, but okay, we're good. We're good. I can see that this is inspired by streetwear brands. So we're doing good so far. Okay, let me take a look at something here.
Khan said, it's in development phase. I am working on photos.
Okay, okay. I get it. Okay, so I assume this is an image. Where's that? Where's the slider? It disappeared. Okay, it's a div with a text. Okay. Oh, okay. That is a carousel of products. Okay, so that's another thing. It's okay, all right? But let's comment this from top to
Said,
bottom.
that's pretty good. Khan said, no, it's text.
The first thing that I'd like to just comment on is the navigational bar. I'm not sure if you're trying to make this as minimalist as possible, but first is the navigational bar. There is plenty of missing links that you might want to bring back. Okay, first of all, the link to other pages. You might need to put like a contact link here or a page where it can lead customers to your proper pages or collections pages, you know. So that's just one thing that you want to bring back here. The search bar, I don't feel it to be in the left side. Honestly, I'd prefer it to be on the right side because that's more user experience friendly. The logo in the center is fine, but make sure that on the left side there are links. Okay, that's it. The link to account page is good. Cart is good. Okay, so the hover effect is going red. Okay, so there is no hover effect for this one as well. So make sure that you add hover effects here just to indicate that it's a button with a link. I would assume that your primary color is black.
C0 Renell said, I would move the search bar to the right.
Yes, exactly. The search bar should be on the right. The logo could be in the center, that's fine, but make sure that you have links there on the left side. Could be a home, could be a collection link, etc. I don't like the carousel of products. That's just my personal opinion. It's very, very in the face. You know? The fact that it's also moving on its
C0
own,
Renell
it's very...
said, remember we read from left to right.
That's a good advice. Yes, exactly. The fact that it's moving fast, it gets in the face immediately, and some people don't like that. I don't like that personally. So I'd prefer it to be more simple, that will indicate that, hey, we have sale, for example, that you might want to take a look at. It doesn't say anything at the moment here in the front. It just showcased a bunch of images. I know this is not the final images, of course, but honestly, carousel that moves on its own is honestly a very bad UX experience. So if you want to keep this as carousel, it's fine, but make its height smaller so they know that there's something underneath it. Because if you just show it like this, it's very minimal. Like there's not much info going on. So make sure that you also cut this off by about 20% so they can see the featured products or featured collections or maybe about your brand, etc. Okay? Also, for carousels, maybe you can add like a gradient, for example, a gradient that reach dark to opacity 0 of this carousel, and then at the bottom left or in the center, you give it a text that describes what this whole thing is. Because we don't really understand what these are. I understood it once I click it, and it lead me to the product page. Honestly, that's another thing.
Con.
If you want this to be a link,
Okay.
make sure that you add an hover effect that, I don't know, makes it opacity lighter, or give it a text, something that describes this product. So there's another thing that you need to work on as a merchant. Okay? Because yeah, like I said, just hovering this doesn't do anything. It doesn't tell me that this is a product.
C0 Renell said, go to the product page again.
Yeah, we'll do that. Let's take this slow. The next one is the featured products. Okay, I like that there is this hover effect. You see, you could have done this here as well, but it's repetitive. That's the thing. You don't want to make it too repetitive because it gets the customers or the visitors a bit bored. But other than that, I like this. It's good. I don't like the color of the sale because it's too red. Make it like a bit dark red because it's too contrast. It's not very readable, especially the 30% off text. Make it a bit dark red. I believe you can do something in the inspect elements. Like, for example, okay, so I don't really see a way. Okay.
Con. Said, okay.
Where is that thing? Okay, this one here, the discount badge. Okay, so the red here is very, very dark. But there should be a contrast here that you can use. Where is that? Where is that thing? I'm pretty sure I have a feature of a browser where you can see the contrast of your color. Doesn't work anymore? Maybe give it a bit like this. See how it's more visible? The color of the text. I know it's pretty small on my live stream, but it's better. It's not too bright to look at. So just be very careful with the contrast. That's just one. Okay. The Instagram feed, I don't mind it, but give it a gap for all this content. They're very touching each other. I don't know what's your idea here,
Con
but other than that,
said,
it's great.
thumbs up.
Okay, let's proceed with the product page. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, there's not much to comment here. What was that? Okay. I mean, it's good. I don't think I have much of a comment on this side.
C0 Renell said, I would love to see the add to cart button with bigger font.
I just noticed something. Why is there snow? Do you see it?
C0 Renell said, or bigger text.
Do you see snow? Is it part of it? Why is there snow? Is it part of the sale? Is it part of the Shopify theme? I'd love an explanation why there's particles going down. But I agree with Cornell. A bigger font for add to cart, or just the font weight. The font weight would make definitely big changes. Set the font weight of add to cart to 500. That would make it much better. It's kind of like this. It's pretty minor, honestly. It's kind of like this. Look at this. The add to cart here has a font weight of 500, but here it doesn't have any font weight.
Con said, so honestly that website not built by me, as I am more into Next.js and MERN stack and 3D web development, so my brother hired one dev to build this custom theme which cost him 550. Con said, so I decided to learn Shopify theme development to make this theme much better.
Okay, now I understand. So what is the point? What is the reason why there's a particle here? Because I honestly don't see any reason why you would put that. Because if this is on a client side, that's gonna add more weight to your pages. I'm seeing also it's using a library, which is Elysium. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. It's basically a 3JS thing. That's probably the particle. Yeah, that's probably the particle. Oh, no. Elysium is the name of the Wait, one sec. Now I'm lost.
Con said,
What is Elysium?
I got it, thumbs up.
That's a product name, but the J. Wait. No. Sorry. I got lost. It's the name of the page. That's why. Let me take a look at stuff. I'm very curious with that whole snow. can't even select it. What is that particle? There's no such thing as well. But anyway, honestly, I would look at it if it's something that is important or it's in the brand. Sure, keep it. Otherwise, if it's just to make it look cool,
Khan said,
if it's just to make it look
I already
cool,
have much knowledge in the languages used to build Shopify theme. I just learned Liquid language today and I will start Shopify theme development from tomorrow.
that's good. But yeah, if it's just for a cool effect, honestly, I'd get rid of it because it's just gonna add another weight to your Shopify theme, and it's gonna make it heavier. The loading times is just gonna make it bad. So get rid of that if it's unnecessary. Other than that, that is pretty much it, I guess. The footer is, I don't think it matters. It's good. But yeah, there's plenty of work that you could do to make it better. This effect for the add to cart, I don't mind it. I think it brings out that, hey, add this to cart. I think that's good.
Khan
But the hover effect, for
said,
some reason, it bothers
I
me.
am thinking to build a 3D AR VR website after completing your courses.
The hover is bothering me. There's something wrong with this. I can't put a finger on it.
Khan
Is it
said,
tilting?
and again thanks for review.
I think it's tilting. Anyway, that's just another thing that bothers me. That's pretty much it. But yeah, thank you for sharing, everyone. Shout out to Cornell and to Ken for changing this.
C0
for
Renell
sharing this.
said, would change the easy exchange icon also. Khan said, I understand your reviews and I will try to update and do changes soon.
That's a great advice. Honestly, I don't mind it. It's fine. It's not too bad. But anyway, yeah, everyone, thank you so much for sharing it to us. It's something that I enjoyed, really. I enjoyed looking at. I love to see your work, and I love to share my opinions on things. And I know it's not much, but I enjoyed it. Thank you so much to every single one of you who shared it.
C0 Renell said, but otherwise it's really cool site.
I understand your reviews, and I will try to update and do changes soon. No pressure at all. Enjoy the process, honestly. But yeah, I'm just surprised that whoever worked on it previously got charged $550, and it's not that bad, honestly. I think it's good. Was it from Fiverr? What kind of Shopify theme is this? Is this a Shopify theme? I think it's a Shopify theme, from what I can see, with bunch of Shopify apps. I don't have comments on the other apps that it's using. The wish list, the chat, I don't have comments on that. Personally, I wouldn't use it a lot because it's just adding another way to your Shopify online store.
Khan said, and when we will start international shipping, I will love to share you some my t-shirt.
Thank you, Con. We appreciate that. We do. It's a custom Dawn theme. Yeah, I saw it. I can see that.
Said, no, it's custom Dawn theme.
Okay. Yeah, the subscribe now for more offers and discount gave Shopify done style. But yeah, other than that, it's great. Good job. Just work on the navigational bar. Honestly, that'll make a huge improvement if you make it more good,
Con
the user experience.
and Cornell, thanks for your reviews. Also, thumbs up.
I like this. I like that everyone is engaged with the review. It's something that I really appreciate. So thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you for participating tonight's live stream. Honestly, really enjoyed it. To be fair, I felt previously I felt very discouraged of doing the live stream because I felt that Marco is more loved than me. That's something that I just felt a couple weeks ago. I felt very discouraged and I felt like maybe I should stop. Maybe I should stop live streaming and just give it to Marco because everyone loves Marco. But then today's stream just gave me another confidence to keep going. So I would like to thank you, everybody, for giving me that confidence back. Shout out to Ken. Shout out to Cornell. Shout out to, of course, our friend Rim Buderbala and others, of course. Rene, thank you for joining once again. And Victor, and the rest of you who is here. Thank you so much. So, we've been streaming for, wow, an hour and a half now, almost. Time just flies so fast whenever we do this. And that's the reason why I enjoy this a lot. When I enjoy this, I don't notice the time. I notice that it's almost over. And I hope you feel the same way. So, I will let Marco take care of Wednesday's live stream. So if you guys want to join him, please do. I'm pretty sure he's gonna appreciate your time and efforts. Yeah. Honestly, I'm very happy. I'm very happy that today's live stream went smoothly. No problems at all. We almost had a problem because of the images of Cornell's online store. Almost got me there. Okay? But other than that, we had a good live stream.
Okay guys, good night. It's very late night here. See you soon and I let us do chit chat tomorrow in Discord.
Okay, Ken, thank you once again for joining tonight's stream. I apologize if it took some of your time, of your night time. I know it's pretty late there. If you're from India, I know it's very late there. But yeah, have a good night, rest well, and once again, thank you so much for sharing your work to everyone. We'll see you pretty soon. Have a good night. Okay? Okay. Okay, everyone, the rest of you, this is great. I like this.
Said. And again, weekly how thanks for all help.
No worries at all. I really enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed sharing my knowledge, sharing my opinions about your work. Oh shit. Sorry. Hold on. Let me bring it back. I promise I was not staring at it. I promise.
Khan said. Okay, by waving hand.
I promise I was not. Babe, if you're watching this, I'll close it. There you go. Now it's gone. I promise it's not on my screen anymore. I'm married. Okay, that's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I would like to thank every single one of you for joining tonight's stream. I will end this now. I had a good run. It was a good run. I had a good time spending the time with you, and I hope you guys have felt the same way. Okay? So, yeah. I'll see you next week. But Marco will be seeing you on Wednesday. So that's something to look forward to. Okay? If you're excited to see him, don't hesitate to join. Okay? Another thing, tomorrow, YouTube Short will be released. So if you're a big fan of Weekly House Short and the entertaining side of things, support us. Don't hesitate to watch it. Give it a like and subscribe. I know you're already subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribe to the channel, of course. The button is right here. Subscribe. And on Twitch, if you have not followed us on Twitch,
said, "Who is Marco?"
Follow us on Twitch, okay? Oh, can. Good thing that today is not Marco's day, okay? First of all, it's spelled M-A-R-K-O. K. Okay? Not C. Not C, it's K. You have to be very careful because if you misspell his name, there's gonna be chaos. There's gonna be chaos everywhere. And we don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. So just be very careful, okay? But Marco, he takes care of Wednesday's stream. You'll see him. He's basically the blonde guy with cool style, you know? He wears shades, he wears sunglasses. It's a cool dude. No worries, Ken. No
Con.
pressure.
Said,
Okay?
"Okay, my bad."
You're good. But yeah, you'll see him Wednesday if you join. So once again, just be very careful, everyone. Just be nice to him. So you don't want to see when he's pissed off. But okay. Thank you every single one of you for joining tonight's stream. Had a good time. And I'll see everyone next week. Support Weekly Out by liking this video, liking the live stream, subscribing, following us on Twitch. And yes, tomorrow, more content is coming. This week, more content is coming. I love you all. Don't forget to spread love. Have a good night. Take care of yourself. Drink water. That's it. Where's my music? Bye-bye.
RYM Booter Valley said, "Good night." RYM